Today our practical is plane tabling survey, method of plane tabling survey. That is our method is radiation, traversing, intersection. These are method of plane table survey. So plane table in which we trypostand. So this is before we perform experiment. So plane table should be labeled. This is a various method. First method is labeling.
This is split level used for leveling, and it has a bubble tube inside, and it is used to level a plane table horizontally and vertically. And as I said, it has a bubble inside, and once it is centered, our plane table is ready to proceed.
Okay, so our next method of plane table is centering. For centering, Chiku will tell, explain from centering.
For centering, we take the U-shape, the U-fork, and we coincide the points for the sheet point and the ground point. So when this is called the this is called the pendant
Plumbo.
Plumbo, sorry. So when the plumbo stops oscillating, that's when you know that the stand is centered properly. So here we coincide to the P point, which is right here, and we wait for it to stop oscillating.
So next operation is that is orientation. For that we use trough compass.
This is called a trough compass. It is used for marking the north direction and magnetic north direction. And this is a rectangle in shape, and there is a needle inside which is made of alloy, so that there is no reflection of local attraction.
Okay, so next is focusing. For that we use LED.
This is known as the plane elidate, which coincides of the object vane and eye vane. This coincides of 54 centimeters, and we use the horsehair to find a point whereby we can coincide with a point we're actually trying to find. So yeah.
Okay, so that's how we adjust plane table. So today our first method is that is radiation. In the radiation, with the help of single station, we have to mark the various object on the ground in plane table station. We plot here. Okay. So I apply I here. Okay. This is our center point. So first practical of plane table is radiation method. Okay. In this radiation method, what we do with the help of one single station, we have to find the direction of particular object on a ground topography. Draw that direction or distance in this drawing sheet. Okay. So for that we have our center point. We have object. Ranging rod is here, tree. Then second object we have here that aeroplane. Third we have this tree. And after that this is security post. So this is very simple. What we do for that, with the help of plane elidate, we coincide this ranging rod. So for that we apply I here, I vane and object plane. So this cross here must be coincide this ranging rod. So once it's coincide this or what's you know that particular object, and we draw this with the help of elidate. So this now let's try this. And draw through. Okay. Also consider this side. Remove this one, please. जल्दी करो. यहाँ लगाओ ट्री के पास. A, small a, small b. Write a small a, small b. After that, we cut this with the when we take measure distance. For next point, Kiku, consider this point. Any date?
That one or this one?
This one point. This distance here, from here to there, okay? This should be same as in the ground, okay? So how much distance? 12 point?
Distance is 12.5. 12.6.
12.9.
How much? 12 point?
Distance is 12.5. 12.6.
12.9.
So this is exactly same distance as the distance in ground is on a plane.
12.9. So
So now second
now we are measuring
distance from
second point, which is distance from aeroplane to tree 2. And the distance is, what's the distance?
go there check.
What's the distance? 20. Exact, sir.
Exact है.
120. इसके बाद उन दो की मेजरमेंट करो.
So now we are measuring from T2 to security guard room. All right, ready? So the distance from security room to tree 2 is. All right, ready? So the distance from security room to tree 2 is. No man, what's the distance?
8.4.
So the distance between these two objects is 8.4.
From tree to
Security guard room.
security guard room to this light.
And now the distance from security guard room to street light 1 is. Okay, what's the distance? Why?
It's supposed to be 12.2.
Supposed to be 12.2. So since there was an error in placing this spot here, so what is the reading now? 12.8. 12.8. So the distance from guard room
8, right?
to street light 1 is 12.8.
12 point.
And now we are measuring the distance from street light 1 to street light 2.
So last distance.
Okay, so the distance from street light 1 to street light 2. What's the measurement, Norman?
4.5.
4.5. Alright. Yeah, coming. And now we are finally measuring from street light 2 to tree 1. So the distance from street light 2 to tree is. What's the distance, Norman? Okay, 10.2. Yes, sir.
So now, like this, we draw our lane for reduction method. Okay, so with the help of single station, we draw all the objects here and distance measure with the help of tape. So this is our first OA is our first point. This is the distance. BV is our next all the points. So we measure all the distance, or also we measure here. Okay. So this is our scale. RF equal to 100, 100, 1 ratio 100. RF scale of here. So this is our symbol here for a plane, tree, node, dash, all we mentioned here. So right off we write here. Our method is plane table survey. Plane table survey. Plane table survey. Radiation method. Method. Place. University. Compound. So like this we draw our plane table survey observation method. That's it. Thank you.